Veolia announced takeover of Vancouver WTE facility. Veolia North America declared that it has started up at a Burnaby, British Columbia, mass burn combustion facility. Reworld and Covanta were the past operators of the wasted energy WTE facility. Up to 240,000 tons of rubbish, or almost 25% of the total waste in the area, can be processed annually by the facility. Last year, Metro Vancouver launched a request for proposals in which Reworld, the operator at the time, did not take part. The company's choice to opt out was primarily consistent with its decision to stop running other solid waste plants on the west coast of the United States. It should be mentioned that in addition to seeking new capabilities in the area, Reworld has been concentrating on growing its footprint in the East Coast region. This was seen in the recently announced acquisition of Red Technologies, a company situated in Connecticut. About 180,000 megawatt-hours of electricity are produced annually at the Burnaby facility and sold to BC Hydro, a local utility. By creating increasingly effective models, the facility should be able to deliver high-quality service, according to Dennis Chesserin, Veolia Canada's country director and CEO. Veolia's original contract has a 5-year term with 2 potential 5-year renewals. Thanks for tuning in to Recycling Monster News, your go-to source for the latest updates in recycling, scrapyards, and market prices. Looking for a scrapyard near you? Need to stay updated on industry news or market trends? Visit recyclingmonster.com to explore all our services, check prices for your scrap, and we can even buy your scrap car. Like, share, and comment to keep the recycling conversation alive. Together, let's make a difference for our planet. See you next time.